If you love sitting on the floor for reading, gaming, or just hanging out, but your back or knees absolutely hate it, you've probably looked at these from Codi. This is high density foam pillow 2-pack. They are massive, 5 inches thick, designed specifically for adults, yoga, and extra living room seating, but they are actually extremely comfortable. They're not just glorified blocks of foam. They look and feel wonderful. Codi makes these in a few different setups. If you're looking at the 2-piece set, which is great value right out the box. Size-wise, these are the large cushions, which give you plenty of surface area so you don't feel like you're falling off the edges. They also come in a variety of colors ranging from deep navy to classic gray and neutral beige. You can actually match them to your current living room decor instead of having them stick out like a sore thumb. And there is a important thing that you want to know about these. When they arrive, you just open the package and they inflate into a perfectly cushioned seat, and you will find right out the box that these are vacuum sealed tightly, so you'll want to give them about 24 to 48 hours to fully expand to their true 5-inch thickness. And if you sit on them right away, you're going to be not feeling the full value. But once they're fully lofted up, the support is incredibly solid and really soft. Now, let's sit down on these and let me show you just how wonderful they are. They're not flimsy pillow stuffing. This is high density foam, and when I put my full weight on it, I'm completely elevated off the hardwood floor, carpet, or wherever you might have them. It's firm and it's exactly what you want for sitting, reading, or yoga because it keeps your spine aligned and it has just enough space to give comfortable, long movie nights a good run. Now, I love these two. They were gifted to me for my honest opinion, and I really like them. They're neutral. They can fit anywhere. I have them in an extra room here where I have a TV, and I also have my yoga materials. And the other massive win here is the maintenance. The floor pillows just generally get dirty because they're on the floor. But Codi designed these with very heavy-duty zipper that wraps around the side. I hope you like this, and follow us for more from this great brand and others like these. These are highly comfortable, easy to wash should you need to, and just easy to tag along anywhere. Great for dorm rooms, great for living rooms, for extra seating, great for exercise rooms. I love these pillows as well as all products from Codi.